Now I am going to discuss about the comment in the blade file. I am going to create a blade home.blade.php, and in this blade file I am going to write something. This is home page. So this is a normal HTML code and it will be executed. I am going to refresh it. I am going to change this. This is view welcome and here home. Now it will be run. If I refresh this page, you will see that this is the home page. So this is very normal and the HTML codes are going to render. But if I want to write something, that will not be executed. That means in the code you can easily comment here. You know that in the HTML codes, when we want to comment something, then we normally use like this, right? So here we write something. Also in the case of CSS, we do comment like this symbol, or there are many other things, for example like this. This is multi-line commenting system. In the case of Laravel blade, there is similar type of comment system. That is, you will have to write this way, like this. So this is the starting of comment, this is the starting of comment, and this is the ending of comment. What you will write here between this is a comment like this. I am testing it. This is another line. So if you write like this, these two lines will not be executed. If I go to refresh, you will see that there is no two lines like that. So I am going to check the view page source. You will see that those codes are not available here. That means the commenting system is working. So in the blade file you can easily do comment like this, and this code will not be executed. So this is very easy. I hope you have understood.